Hello mga kagorts, here I am again. I'm going to scratch my weekly ticket. I have this every time. No, not weekly, every payday. Every 2 weeks. I ask my husband to give me a ticket. Now, I'm going to scratch this 4 tickets. And we'll see if we get lucky today. Okay? We'll see if we get lucky today. Alright, there we go. The name of the ticket is $150,000 fortune. Is that right? I hope we have even one, you know. Oh, we'll see. Let's go start scratching. Maybe we have a winner today. Oh, we have a winner ticket. Not you guys. I am. Maybe I got lucky tonight. Time right now is very late. There's like 10 minutes now. 8 minutes to 9. So I'm gonna scratch. After this, I'm going to sleep. Let's go. Zoom it. Alright guys, we have to divide it 4 times. We cut it, so it's not hard for me. Oops, upside down. Alright, there you go. We are ready. I got 4 tickets. You can see it. I got 4 tickets, and I want to show you guys what I'm going to use to scratch those tickets.
In New York City when they had 9/11.
9/11 and this one. These 3 that I have to use it. I don't know which one the better one. I try this one. 2008 when I am here. That's the year that I'm here in America. He had this in his keychains, in his key. So keys, with the keys. And I'm using for scratching. Which one the lucky one? This one first. Went up to 150. Oh, this is good to use. You don't get tired. Alright guys, this is a winning number. Now we are going to scratch the enemies. No winner. I see. Right. Clean this one. The flag is soft. So it's 33, 26, no, 40. There's no 40. 31, 28. Third line. Uy! $5 guys, $5. See a winner? Win $5 so far. $23. This is backward. 32. 37. 4. All right. We have winner for this.
Okay, hold on.
We are now in second ticket. This one got lucky. We win this for $5, and now we try this. my husband's kitchen also, huh? Or actually a lock.
This keychain.
No, it is a lock. Oh yeah, it's a kitchen. Guess what else? I didn't know you can do that. It's a kitchen too. It's a free from Toyota. Okay, let's go start. We are going to start here. Hmm. 44. It's clear now, huh? Okay. I'm not gonna get damage your kitchen.
No.
Why they give you the kitchen like this?
It's already broke.
How?
Part that snaps into it. Snapped off.
Ah, this is already there?
I can still use it to hold keys.
Right, guys, I scratching a change. Earlier we changed the winner, the winning number, and now I'm scratching first my number. I'm scratching the enemy first. You didn't drink the coffee today, do you? Did you make that?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. See the number? That's too sharp for me. Like that. 44, 46, 13, 20, 32, 33, 18, 2, and 6. 29, 38, 17, 31, 13, 31. They just backward the number. Then 33, 20, 14, 43, 8, 34. Now we clean it. Let's see on here. Now we scratch the winning number 40. There's no 40. 12. There's no 12. 48. There's no 48. 42. There's no 42. 24. No 24. No winner. No winner, right, huh?
Alright.
We don't win this card, guys. Now we separate that. Now scratch more. We're not lucky this kitchen, guys. We don't like this one. We win. This one we don't win. We try this one. What is this? A nickel? We try the nickel, guys. Oh, we scratch the hair first. Hmm. 16, 19. They just backward the number. Sixteen, 14, 33, 21. 34. Oh, 43, 34. What happened? They just backward. They're being wise. 10, 20. No winner, guys. No winner. See? 43, 34. 16, 19. They just backward number. Oh, we got 12. 21 in here, we got 12 here. Do you say that? They're really backward, the numbers. Oh, we got 29. There's no 29. 16 again. There is 1. 18. No 18. 2. 22. Looks like we don't have a winner this. 39. We got 29 here, or 19. $28, 17, 46, 7, 26. No winner. 41, we have 14. We have 12. No winner. Is that clear? No winner, guys. No winner. Put back there. Now we are in the fourth one. Now we're not lucky this. So we go back this one. We start this one here. We start this. 47. 34. Oh, the number of that one is here. The 19. Look at that. Looks like we don't have a winner again because we have here 14. The ticket, I have noticed the number, the winning number is in the side, and all the numbers that we have here is in that card, the first one, and then when you scratch the other one, all the numbers is there, and then so just like they want our money. $34. We don't have 34. All the numbers here, winning numbers, guys, is over. It's here in this number, the enemy numbers. So I'm just guessing we don't have a winner also in this card. See, I see the 49 and I have there 29. Not wrong. $22, $21. Come on, $26, $29, $27. I don't have 27. $47, $17. No winner, huh? $36. Be their luck next time. You never know. $32. $38. $13. See, I'm telling you, all the numbers here are winning. 200,000. I need this money, this one. We don't win. You don't win, huh? Did you see that? In 4 tickets, I only have one winner only. So that's number 1. I win that number, the number 1. It's only $5. See? So it is really a gambling. I'm a gambler. That I lose $15 tonight. There's no winner, guys. Look at the number. You can see very close. See, if you got the good eyes, better than mine, maybe I did not see it, and you guys can see. What do you think, guys? No winner? Alright. Better luck next time, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep it up. Maybe next time we have the a little bit better. A little bit better. Maybe 1 million one day. No? Thank you guys for watching.